Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language for your Squarespace account. This is really helpful if you prefer working in a different language or if you're managing a site for a multilingual audience. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and account options. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen near your profile icon. You'll see an option called Account Settings, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you can manage all your personal account preferences and configurations. Once you're inside Account Settings, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Language. This is where Squarespace lets you customize the language for your entire account interface, making it easier to navigate in your preferred language. You'll now see a list of available languages that Squarespace supports. Browse through and choose the language you prefer. What's great about this is that once you click on your chosen language, it will automatically switch the entire account interface to that language. There's no need to confirm or save anything separately, it happens instantly. Once you're done, simply click the close icon to exit the account settings. At this point, your account language is updated, but keep in mind this only changes the language for your account dashboard. If you want to change the language for a specific website, we need to take a few more steps. Now we'll move on to changing the language for your actual website. Go back to your main dashboard and click on the website you want to modify. Then, on the left side of the screen, click the gear icon. This will take you into the settings for that particular website. On the left side of the settings menu, make sure you're on the website tab. From there, scroll down and click on Site Languages. This section controls how your website appears to visitors, including what language they see. You'll now see a drop-down menu labeled Language/Region. Click on it and choose the language you want your website to display in. This affects everything from menu items to built-in text elements that Squarespace generates automatically. Once you've selected your preferred language, don't forget to click Save. This confirms your changes and applies the new language settings to your website. It may take a moment for the changes to fully process across your site. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language for both your Squarespace account and your specific website. This gives you full control over how you interact with the platform and how your visitors experience your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.